So in question number M, 36x square minus 12ax plus a square minus b square equals to 0. We observe that coefficient of x square is 36 and constant term is a square minus b square. So we have to factorize this product 36 into a square minus b square in such a way that its sum must be 12a as it is positive, na? Both of them are positive. Is that clear to you? If we consider this number a square minus b square as positive. Understood? So how to factorize this? So factorize, we know that a square minus b square equals to what? Factors are a plus b into a minus b. So now we have to factorize 36 also. Factors of 36 are 6 into 6, which makes the sum 12. Okay, 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So if one 6 is given to a plus b, other 6 is given to a minus b, and if we add these two, 6a plus 6b plus 6a minus 6b, 6b will be cancelled out and the sum is 12a, which we have to write. Is that clear to you? Factorize a square minus b square, it is a plus b into a minus b. Factorize 36, it is 6 into 6, their sum is 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So if we write 1 6 with a plus b, as the two factors are 6 into a plus b and 6 into a minus b, and their product is 36 into a square minus b square. Is that clear to everyone? So in place of 12a, we must write 6 into a plus b plus 6 into a minus b, and you have to apply brackets. 6 into a plus b into x plus 6 into a minus b into x plus a square minus b square equals to 0. Is that clear to you? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So as there is minus outside the bracket, so we will directly write 6 into a plus b into x. Again, minus into plus minus, 6 into a minus b into x plus factorize a square minus b square as a minus b into a plus b equals to 0. Okay. Now, the term which is common in first two, 6 is common, x is common. So in next bracket, when we divide 36x square with 6x, x cancelled out, 6 6 are 36, so it is 6x minus the second term is 6 into a plus b into x upon 6x. 6 cancelled out, x cancelled out. This time it is a plus b. Properly use the brackets to get the correct answer. Okay, minus. Now in these two, we are observing that a minus b is common. So when we take a minus b common, the first term is minus 6 into a minus b, and we have taken minus of a minus b common. Minus cancel, a minus b cancel, it is only 6 and x is also there. Okay, this x plus a minus b common, and it is not minus as we have taken minus a minus b common, na? From a minus b into a plus b plus we have taken minus of a minus b common. Is that clear to you? So when minus of a minus b is common, it gives minus first, a minus b cancelled out, a plus b equals to 0. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then raise your hand. 6x minus a plus b is now common between these two terms. First term is 6x into 6x minus a plus b. Second term is a minus b into 6x minus a plus b. And in the second bracket, 6x minus a minus b equals to 0 will be there. It implies, now when we open the bracket, 6x minus a minus b into 6x minus a plus b equals to 0. It implies, or if we don't use this, then it will be easier. Means, first we write either what? 6x minus a plus b equals 0, as we have to find the value of x only. or the second term is 6x minus a minus b equals to 0. It implies as we have to find the value of x, so when we directly transfer this a plus b considering it as single term, it is a plus b, or 6x equals to a minus b. It implies x equals to a plus b upon 6. We have to find the value of x only, not any other. X equals to a minus b upon 6. Okay. Yes, what's your doubt? Ask it.
No, sir.
Always join on time.
Sir, I've joined on time only.
So what is the doubt? What you have not understood, you have to tell at least.
Sir, when you find it the factors of 36
Of what?
x
Of
square
what?
and
What is the proper method of finding the factors?
then
First we what?
add the coefficient.
First we multiply what?
So the coefficient.
Of what? भाई पूरा बोलो ना. प्रॉब्लम क्या हमने नहीं बोला था क्या? हमने सुना नहीं था.
Sir, yes, sir.
When we open the bracket, 36x square minus 6 into a plus b into x plus 6 into a minus bx plus a square minus b square equals to 0. So it implies 36x square minus 6 into a plus bx minus into plus minus 6 into a minus bx plus factors of a square minus b square a minus b into a plus b equals to 0. Now 6x is common between these two into 6x minus a plus b minus a minus b is common between these two. So 6x minus a plus b equals to 0. So 6x minus a plus b is common now from both into 6x minus a minus b equals to 0. So either first bracket 6x minus a plus b equals to 0 or second bracket 6x minus a minus b equals to 0. So it is giving 6x equals to a plus b or 6x equals to a minus b. That is x equals to a plus b upon 6, x equals to a minus b upon 6. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Similarly, you can solve the other questions also. Now, these questions have already been discussed.
Sir.
After M, the next doubts you can solve using the same method. If you will try, you will get them. Okay. So first, find them.
Sir.
If still have doubts, then ask again. But first attempt them again. Don't start asking all the questions. Try them yourself. Question number O, if you look at this, it is also of the same type. We have to find the factors of a square, b square into 1, that is a square, b square in such a way that its sum must be a square plus b square. And you already know that it has a square into b square as the factors and their sum is a square plus b square. So why you are not separating it to find the factors of it? Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next is after O, S. Question number S. So first separate it by and write them in decreasing powers of x. It is ab x square plus a plus b whole square into x minus a plus b whole square. Okay. Then think about this like I have done in this question. Okay. Is that clear to you? So try attempt them again. Those questions which you are not able to solve and we will discuss them in next term. Okay.